Hey guys, in this video we'll cover what TikTok coins are. So I can show you, it's pretty quick and easy. TikTok coins are basically TikTok's way of having currency in the app. So first I'm going to tap on the little me icon and then the three dots at the top right here. And then I can go to balance, the fourth one on that list. And this is where you can see your TikTok coin balance. And here you can go under FAQ and it shows you, what are TikTok coins? How do I use them? Basically, TikTok coins are a way that you can spend real money and then gift them to other people. So say if somebody that you really like goes live on TikTok, you can send them coins as kind of a way of paying them or saying thank you for going live. So one of the things here you'll see, basically once you get to a certain number of diamonds, you can cash out. You have to have the equivalent of $100 of diamonds to be able to cash out. But if you wanted to buy more TikTok coins, you can tap recharge here, and that will give you the option to it wasn't letting me do that. Let me tap on it again. There we go. So here it's showing me the various options. I can buy 65 coins for $1, 330 coins for $5, all the way up to for $100 I can buy 6,607 coins. So this lets me get various coins that I can then send to other people as kind of thank yous. So that's what TikTok coins are. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to like this video. Thanks.